Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to the Cordial Media YouTube channel. Today's video is showing you all about how to add your employees to your Pinterest Ads Manager so your employees can also check out what's going on with your Pinterest campaigns and maybe even manage the campaigns themselves. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the big red subscribe button and to hit the bell to be notified every single time I post a new video here on the Cordial Media YouTube channel. Without further ado, let's dive into the video tutorial. Let's assign an employee to my Pinterest advertising account, my Pinterest Ads Manager. So once you log into your Pinterest account, you're going to see the little caret on the top right, and you're going to click Business Access. Once you get into your business access, you are going to see this page over here where you can set up your team. So let's say I would click add employees over here, and then I would start adding their email. So let's add my blog email, my fashion blog email, just like that. So you type the email, then you do a comma so it can enter. And then you see you can add up to 20 emails or username at a time. And then you're going to click add employees. Now you want to assign assets to the employee. So you're going to assign basically your ad account, and then you're going to choose exactly what they can and cannot edit. If let's say like you are delegating this to a marketing agency like Cordial Media, like our marketing agency, my clients, I require them to provide me the admin, because without the admin, I can't really edit their campaigns. There's no point even running the ad account. So I require admin. And then I assign permission. And then it is up to now the employee to accept. And then once they accept, you should be able to see their name pop up over here. Actually, you can see the invites that are pending for now. So let me go to my Hotmail and sign in over here. So you've been added, and you can view the invite, and then you can accept the invite. So, okay, one thing I forgot to note is that you have to log into the appropriate Pinterest account. So obviously this is the account I just added the employee to. So the employee would have their own account open and they would accept the invite. And once they accept the invite, that's it. They're able to see the reporting that would look just like any other reporting. They would be able to see no problem everyone's campaigns. So all these campaigns over here. There we go. Like the employee would now be able to see all of this. They'd be able to edit campaigns and things like that. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big like. Let me know in the comments if this video was helpful for you as well. And let me know if you want to book a meeting with me. The link is in my description box below. You can book a completely free meeting where you and I can chat about your Pinterest ads and your Pinterest account in general and see whether or not you and I could be a good fit to work together. On that note, I hope you guys have a lovely rest of your day, and we will chat in the next video. Bye for now.